Hey, what's up guys? LVHD here, bringing you guys a brand new video on the FL Esports Gaming RGB Mechanical keyboard. And so I got this on Amazon for about $40, I think, including shipping, and this is a great purchase. As you can see here, the LEDs look sick. It's a very sleek design. They have a kind of rubbery cover material on top of the keys, and the LEDs go all the way around, even on the sides. And here's the sound test. So, as you guys can tell, it sounds great for a $40 keyboard. It's not as loud as like the Razer and SteelSeries keyboards that you may have seen on YouTube or you may own yourself. I think this is better than any of those keyboards because it is such high quality. It's actually really durable. It has a nice shoelace USB cord, and yeah, so that concludes my review. I think that this nice heavy duty $40 mechanical RGB keyboard would be a 8.5 out of 10 in my opinion. It's not like the perfect keyboard, but it's really good. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks. Peace.